it's Jasmine if you are new here, and today we are going to be doing my third update for this round of Roulette Pan Collab. So this is my first round of doing the project, but it is the 8th round overall. So if you like this style of project, make sure to check out all of the other beautiful, lovely people doing this project. And if you are excited or interested in seeing my progress, make sure to just keep watching. So my first product is a product with bad functioning packaging, and that will be my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe. I've had these break on me before, and I've seen a lot of other people have the same issue. I think this packaging is just very, very flimsy and thin. Anyways, I have been really enjoying this product. I'm wearing it in my brows today. I wear it every day, and I'm going to insert a picture on the screen right now of what my progress is looking like. I have been getting pretty consistent progress with this. I definitely won't have this used up by the finale, but I have been enjoying using it, and I'm pretty happy with the very consistent progress I've been seeing on it over the past couple of months. The next is a product where you love the color but hate the formula, and that really just does sum up this Stila Glitter and Glow Shadow in the shade Smoky Storm. I did not reach for this once, and it's because I don't know if this formula is naturally like this or if me rehydrating it has caused it to be like this, but I've noticed the past half a dozen or so times I've worn this that after a couple hours it creases and it like bunches in like the fold of my crease, and it'll lift whatever shadow or concealer or any primer or anything that I have under it and move it around, and my eyes just look really, really bad. I am going to see if there is a way that I can get this to work better, but to be completely honest, if I continue using this a couple more times and it still is doing that, I'm just going to let it go. It's really not worth it. It's a pretty glitter, but I have lots of pretty glitters in my collection, and I didn't reach for it. I don't think I reached for it once so far this month, and that's because whenever I think about using it, I think about how bad it looks once it moves in bunches, and then I don't want to use it anymore, which is really sad. Then next is a product I overlooked but now love, and that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Lipstick in the shade Spice. As you can see, there's very little left in here, and for once, I got a good amount of progress this month. Last month, if you remember, I didn't really have any progress on this at all, and it's because I was focusing on a different lip product. But this month, I've been really buckling down with this one, and as you can see in the progress tracker, it has paid off. I did get a good amount of progress on this. Definitely not going to be able to finish this up by the end of the project, but I do really think that this is a lovely lipstick, and I will definitely continue using it after this project is over, and I'm just really happy I got to see some good progress on it during this project. For a product that was an impulse purchase, I have this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal. I don't know if you can see that, but I have a pretty good dip going right here. I do really like this highlighter. I've been wearing it almost every single day that I've done my makeup, and I do think that I can hit pan on this if I continue to use it every single time I do my makeup between now and the finale. I really think it can happen, so fingers crossed. And then next is my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and my goal is to hit pan on 2 shades. This was for the prompt of a product with inspiring packaging, and it is very, very difficult to see, but I've actually hit pan in that shade right there. The pan is almost the exact same color as the shade, but I am halfway towards my goal, and I'm very excited about that. This shadow is like kind of like a thicker, moussier formula, so I kind of had to like dig my finger in it to like get a good amount of progress on my finger, and that is why it was so easy. Well, not so easy, but that's why it was a little bit easier to hit pan on this shade than any of the other shades. I do really like this palette. I've been really happy to be using it, and I think I can hit pan in one more shade in the next month if I really dedicate myself to it. Then next, for the prompt, a color you're drawn to but rarely wear, we have this Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in the shade Fuchsia. My goal for this, I don't know if I said it in the last video, but was to use this product 10 times. I have used it 3 times, so I think I can hit that 10 use goal. One of those times was today. I am wearing it with a lip product from my other lip project, and I do really like this lip liner. I don't think I would ever repurchase it, but it is nice to lay down the edges and then fill it in with this lip color. It makes the whole process a little bit easier. So I am very happy that I managed to reach for this a couple times, and I do think that I can reach for it 7 more times in the next month. So that is everything for this update of my Roulette Pan collab. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz. And if you like project panning, I'm going to make sure to link my other project that's currently going on in the description box below. And make sure to check back at the end of December / beginning of January for the intros to my 2021 projects that I will be doing. I'm so excited about. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are. Thanks, guys.